Hello my dear friends. After watching this video, you will understand many facts about cardiophobia or fear of heart attack. I will also provide some tried and tested remedies and tips to overcome cardiophobia. Do watch this video completely. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Please be careful and choosy when you search internet or YouTube for information regarding physical or mental health. Many articles and videos available in the internet may mislead and confuse you and could cause further anxiety and stress. Please rely on genuine health professionals and health related websites. Please understand, when you experience chest pain, whether it is related to anxiety, panic, stress, acidity or whatever the cause may be, please consult a doctor in person and make sure the chest pain is investigated and diagnosed well. This video and the given treatment methods are applicable only when the doctor confirms that your chest pain is due to anxiety or panic or stress. Other cases should take appropriate treatment from the concerned specialist. Anxiety and panic attacks can produce symptoms that may be mistaken for a heart attack. A panic attack is a horrible and terrifying experience, but it is not in any sense dangerous. Panic is actually a natural bodily reaction and defense mechanism that is occurring due to fight or flight response that happens in our mind and body. This is completely natural and normal. For example, when we feel our survival is somehow threatened, all mammals have an instinctual response to either fight or flee. This response produces a sudden surge of adrenaline accompanied by strong feelings of anxiety and panic and a very intense urge to flee or escape the fearful situation or circumstance. It is interesting that the intensity of the reaction and the strong urge to flee are things that would ensure your survival if you were truly in danger. The flow of adrenaline and the resulting extra blood flow increases your strength and awareness of the danger. This extra awareness of the perceived danger may cause all sorts of feelings such as dizziness, nausea, hyperventilation, heart palpitations, confusion, lack of control, unreality, being dazed, shaking, trembling, sweaty palms, etc. During a panic attack, your body goes through the same physical processes as it would if you were in real danger. The difference, of course, is that although you feel you are in danger, you are not really. That you undergo panic attacks without knowing why only makes the situation much more frightening. Because of these feelings of panic, it is very common to invent or attribute danger to the accompanying bodily symptoms. Both a panic attack and a heart attack can cause shortness of breath, sweating, or dizziness. If you have a heart problem and feel anxious, discuss the problem with your doctor. Anxiety disorders can be successfully treated and not necessarily with medications. Many people use meditation and other techniques to bring their anxiety problem under control. Do you have health anxiety? Health anxiety is an obsessive and irrational worry about having a serious medical condition. It is also called illness anxiety and was formerly called hypochondria. This condition is marked by a person's imagination of physical symptoms of illness. For people with health anxiety, they always ruminate about their heart or chest region and engage in catastrophic thinking about the worst scenarios that can happen in relation to heart failure. Information available in the internet is almost always confusing and worrying for them. The first thing people with health anxiety should make sure is to stop information seeking from sources like YouTube and websites. Instead, should talk in detail to their doctors and try accept the explanation given by the doctor. Understanding the vicious cycle of stress, worries, negative thinking, fight or flight response, anxiety and panic. This vicious cycle leads to fight or flight response, anxiety and panic, thereby lead to chest pain. People with health anxiety, generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, depression should make sure they manage their stress and negative thinking. Why chest pain? As I told you earlier, when chest pain comes, you must consult a doctor and make sure you are and your heart is perfect in condition, and let the doctor diagnose that the chest pain is not due to heart or chest or acidity or muscular or neurological condition. Once such a conclusion is made, the chest pain could be due to one of these three reasons. Number one, muscle stretch or contraction that happen due to fight or flight response. Such a muscle stretch or contraction that can cause chest pain, and it could clear away itself after proper rest. Second cause could be hyperventilation. Hyperventilation is a condition in which you start to breathe very fast. Healthy breathing occurs with a healthy balance between breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. You upset this balance when you hyperventilate by exhaling more than you inhale. Chest pain could happen due to hyperventilation while you were anxious and fight or flight reaction is aroused. This too is normal, and some relaxation steps like deep breathing produces the chest pain can be released. If the patient do not accept the understand muscle stretch relation related to chest pain and hyperventilation and start worrying and ruminating about heart related illnesses, depression is the result. Here, the pain could present itself as psychosomatic pain. Psychosomatic pain is physical pain that is caused, increased or prolonged by mental, emotional or behavioral factors. Headache, back pain, stomach pain or chest pain are some of the most common types of psychogenic pain. Psychosomatic pain may not have any underlying physical reasons. Do you have a family history of heart illness? Means one or more of your blood relatives has or had heart disease is one of the primary risk factors in experiencing cardiovascular issues. Even if you have a family history, there is nothing to worry about it. Maintaining your health with the help of healthy lifestyle and cardiac friendly diet and exercise pattern with the advice of your doctor can help you manage your life without any cardiac complaints. Management of blood pressure, diabetics and cholesterol according to the advice given by your doctor is essential. Always try to maintain your weight and make sure that you do not smoke. Avoid information seeking behavior. Information seeking behavior is the act of actively seeking information in order to answer a specific query. Information searching behavior is the behavior which stems from the searcher interacting with the system in question. Information seeking behavior by a person who is troubled with health anxiety or anxiety disorder can have a detrimental result. This behavior leads to wrong conclusions and further worries and rumination. This behavior further leads to depression and psychosomatic pain disorder. How to overcome the fear of heart attack or heart disease conditions? First point is to understand anxiety related symptoms, chest pain that is associated with anxiety, muscular pain, hyperventilation, psychosomatic pain with the help of your doctor or your psychologist is essential. Do not go to several doctors for this knowledge. Get settled with one capable doctor and make sure that you believe him. Believing your doctor can go a long way to help you in your chest pain. Second is to avoid information seeking behavior. Whenever you have any doubt about your chest pain and heart conditions, make sure you do not search internet for information. Do not seek information from people other than your doctor. This could always lead to further worries. Therefore, wait till your next visit to a doctor, then clarify your doubts. Third point is NLP and hypnotherapy. They can help bring your wild imagination and irrational fears under your control. Make sure that you approach a certified NLP or hypnotherapy professional or a psychologist for such a treatment. Avoid fake professionals. Fourth point is physical exercises maintains your health and release endorphins. Every time you exercise, you have a reassurance that you are exercising, and as long as you do it, your heart will be healthy. Secondly, exercise releases a group of hormones called endorphins. These are responsible for your feel-good experience. You will feel good. When you are feeling good, negative thinking and rumination can be easily managed. Fifth point is learn to relax and stay calm. Meditation, the root cause of your fear is fear of death. As a matter of fact, fear of death is the root cause of all fears. There is only one way to move beyond this fear, and that is to realize oneself beyond body and mind. The transformation from fear to fearlessness requires meditation. Point number 6 is journalizing. Start keeping a personal diary and express all your thoughts and fears. Writing down helps you vent out and will improve your positive thinking and help think rationally, which will help you in dealing life and chesting. 7th point is stress management. Stress management is a wide spectrum of techniques and psychotherapies aimed at controlling a person's level of stress, especially chronic stress, usually for the purpose of and for the motive of improving everyday functioning. You should consult a psychologist for stress management. You can also get detailed information from my previous videos. 8th point is to eat a well-rounded and reasonable diet with moderate fat, moderate carbohydrate and moderate protein. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Point number 9, get lots of sleep. Poor sleep and poor mental health go hand in hand. While most people who get poor sleep do not develop mental health conditions such as anxiety and depression, poor sleep and insomnia do pose a higher risk of mental ill health. Point number 10 is to live a healthy life and try not to worry over things that aren't going to happen. The most efficient way to overcome a phobia is to believe in reality. All phobias are, by definition, irrational fears. Irrational fear is kept alive when one doesn't believe in reality. In cardiophobia circumstance, you learned through a variety of medical tests that your heart is healthy, yet you simply don't believe it. It is as though you are rejecting these objective tests. That's akin to rejecting reality, rejecting your doctor's educated opinion, rejecting the laboratory results and established medical science. The farther one moves away from believing in what is real, the more psychologically unhealthy one becomes. Delusions are the ultimate irrational fear. Delusions are strongly held beliefs that exist despite evidence to the contrary. Do your best to try believe in the truth. Forcing yourself to believe in the truth can preserve your psychological health. Trust your doctor and make sure you follow each and every advice given to you by the doctor. Following your doctor's advice should help you maintain your physical and mental health. If you have any questions, you can ask through the comment sections. I will try to answer all your doubts. Do not forget to like and comment this video. Also, make sure to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.